Hi friends, you are watching my technical network. Friends, how to record the mobile screen? Let's start the video. Friends, before starting the video, kindly subscribe my channels and press the bell icon for more videos. Let's start. Go to the Play Store, enter VIDMA recorder, search them. I have already installed it. Install it from here. Link is available in the video description. You can easily download it from the link available in the video description. Friend, this is the VIDM recorder. I have already installed it. From here you can record the mobile screen. You can also enable the pointer or marker. You can mark anything or any application in the screen. You can also change the font size, the colors, and etc. in VIDM recorder. Kindly try it, and thanks for watching the video.